Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Boys and girls, this week we're going to be doing some emojis. Yes, we are. And so what I need you to do is to get a lovely circle and cut out 5 different trace it out first of all on the card, trace it around your circle, and then I want you to cut it off, and then you'd have 5 circles. So let's just do that very quickly. So then that will be 5 circles done, and we're gonna just put some emotions like different expressions on our circles. They're going to become emojis, and yeah, boys and girls, we're going to create a picture. You know, we're going to stick it together to create a lovely picture to hang on your wall or your study or wherever you are. So here we have one, and I have already cut 4 more, so I've got 4 different varying shades. And what I'm going to do is we can use some googly eyes, you know. So I've got some googly eyes here. We can put some googly eyes on some, and we can make our own. So I'll just have maybe 2 googly eyes, and then we'll actually cut out some googly eyes. So, boys and girls, cut out different shapes for smiley faces, different shapes for the eyes. I decided not to use the googly eyes after all, but there it is, boys and girls. I'm going to stick it down, and then we're going to show you the final piece. So let's just do that now. Stick it down. Googly eyes, but this one I actually made out of just cutting out the paper, so I'm sure you can do the same. So I'm going to turn this one like that so that the eyes look a little bit googly, and then I'll bring the mouth a little closer to the eyes. You know, we're just giving this emoji character, so we're just giving it a little cheekiness, you know, to each of them. And then we're going to do this one, the green one, and this one is winking, so we're going to add this eye looking like this, going this way, and then the wink to the side like that. And then when you wink, boys and girls, your eyes, it goes a little bit to the side like that, doesn't it? You can tell me. So that's the wink. Oopsie. Winky eye. Like that. Just going to bring that up there. And I'm just going to add some glue to this side, because it's winking like that. I'm going to have this going towards that side like that, which looks quite interesting. Then we have this, so we're going to have the eyes going like this. Trying to give it an even space so that they both look balanced. And we have the smiley face. We're adding glue stick to each of them, okay, boys and girls. And I'm going to have the smile a little bit lower than the usual ones, so that looks like the one that we're familiar with. And then we have this one yawning, so the eyes are sleepy, you know. Can be either yawning or in shock, you know, because sometimes when you're shocked, you close your eyes in shock. So yeah, it could be that too, right? And that's the mouth. So we just add some glue to that part. I'm going to have it a bit lower down like that. And then lastly, we're going to have the famous one. We all love that one, don't we, boys and girls? The heart. We all love that one, boys and girls. So it's just simple hearts. Add the glue on. Let's just make sure it's in the center, like that. And then we're going to add the smiley face, which is going to be right here. Okay, have it right here. There it is, boys and girls. So let me just bring it down a little bit. Bring that one down a little touch like that. Yeah, and then we'll bring this over a little bit like that. Yeah, boys and girls, there it is, our emojis. And then you can just stick them together. Why don't we just have it like this? And then I can just stick this one in the center. So just bring it close a little bit like that. You know, and stick it on the ends like that. So that's what I'm going to do. So add a little bit of glue here, Oops. I notice when you add glue to the yellow, it changes color. Amazing. Right, so let's make sure that we cover the glue on each part. When it dries, hopefully it will let's bring this down a little bit so that it can get, oops, we don't want the paint to show. Yeah, I kind of like this, boys and girls. So there it is, boys and girls, your emoji, and you can just stick that on your wall. I can't wait to see your emojis, boys and girls. Please share with me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And for one of the emoji, I forgot to mention you have to add a tongue to the smiley face. So that one looks wacky. So it's sticking out its tongue, giving it being all goofy. And so there you have it, boys and girls, our emoji. So I can't wait to see yours, like I said. God bless. Bye-bye.